Hello everyone, my name is Shubham Jain and I am an equity research intern at Insect Solutions. The video topic given today was the goal seek and solver functions used in financial models. Now let's understand them one by one. Let's first understand what is goal seek. Goal seek is an inbuilt tool in MS Excel used to mold or change an input variable cell in order to achieve the desired result or output by the user. Now, how a goal seek analysis is set up. The user has to define what is the desired output that he wants, and then define the input cell that he wants to change, that he wants the Excel to change itself by automating the result and getting the desired result by the user. Now, how is this useful? How is goal seek useful in financial analysis? Goal seek is usually done to check the sensitivity of any input, sensitivity of the output to any input variable cell. Now it can be done one by one with various input cells in order to check the sensitivity of how and the degree of sensitivity of the output with respect to different inputs, like what is the impact of one input on the output, holding other inputs as constant, and what is the impact of the other input holding the other inputs constant as well. So goal seek is usually carried out in order to check the sensitivity of the output with respect to the input cells. Now let's come to solver. What is solver? Solver is also an inbuilt tool in MS Excel which is used to optimize some certain conditions and achieve an output, but placing some constraints in place as well. Now what are these constraints? Many times user wants some things to remain to keep constant, or anything that he wants, he can put it in solver and optimize the situation accordingly and direct the solver to solve the problem by changing some variable cells. One more thing about solver is that it can be used with different variable input cells. That is, there can be more than one input cell which can be changed in order to get the desired output. Alright, and what are the benefits and applications of both? Now both are tremendously used in financial analysis in order to check the risk management. Solver can be used in calculating the portfolio weights of different assets that could be put in a portfolio, like what weight should be given to a specific security, what weight should be given to a specific bond in a whole portfolio. And both have their advantages and disadvantages, and both used together in a financial analysis do wonders, and both are very essential tools for carrying out any kind of financial analysis in any kind of financial model. Now that's it for today. These are the very two powerful features of MS Excel that every investor and every analyst should use and invest their investments accordingly and carefully. Thank you.